When repairing or applying coatings to concrete slab floors, it is extremely important to make sure that the surface is properly prepared. Acid washing will remove fatty residue from animal waste that will not be removed by pressure washing. Fatty residue acts as a bond breaker and must be completely removed. Acid washing will roughen the surface and provide better adhesion. Some new concrete surfaces are rougher, but also have a chalky, dusty surface. This chalky residue must be removed to get good adhesion. Here are the products and equipment needed to acid wash a slab floor. Vanberg's BP151 Clean Etch in a 1 gallon or 5 gallon container. Measuring bucket to mix the diluted Clean Etch solution. Plastic watering can to apply the Clean Etch. A hose and nozzle to rinse after acid washing. The Clean Etch product contains muriatic acid, so safety equipment should include safety glasses, rubber gloves, waterproof boots, and respirator. Please note that a dust mask is not a respirator. Use a respirator which has acid organic vapor cartridges. VSC Clean Etch is diluted 1:1 with water. Always add the water to the mixing bucket first. Then carefully add the Clean Etch to the water to avoid splashing. Transfer the mixed Clean Etch solution to a plastic watering can. Use the watering can to apply the Clean Etch solution at about 100 square feet per gallon. Be sure to get the surface completely wet with the Clean Etch. The Clean Etch should produce bubbles and foaming action as it reacts with the concrete. Scrub the solution with a broom to distribute the liquid evenly and maximize the cleaning action. Let the Clean Etch solution sit on the surface for at least 10 minutes before rinsing. If the acid has dried on the surface after just a few minutes, you probably did not apply enough of the solution. Apply more acid and scrub again with a broom. One other possibility is that the surface is too hot, possibly in direct sunlight. If the surface is too hot, cool it with water first, then apply more acid and scrub again with a broom. It's okay to apply the acid to a wet surface. It will still work. Then thoroughly rinse the surface with plenty of water. After rinsing, let slats dry overnight. You can also use a leaf blower to remove water faster. After drying, the etched concrete should have a whitened appearance. The etched surface should have a rougher texture like sandpaper. Once the area is dry, inspect the surface. Perform some spot checks on the surface to make sure that it is completely clean. Take a close look at areas to make sure that there is not compacted dirt, manure, etc. in the rough pitted areas. If they are not completely clean, wash again. Once the area is dry, your slats are now ready for the application of repair and coating materials.